Hey there, people. Well, I just got off the phone with Jomo, and I guess he was cleaning up his yard. And he says he's got a bunch of scrap for me. And he was talking to his neighbor, they got some scrap too, so we'll go see what that's all about. Got a little collection already happening. A couple barbecues. Shelly actually came home from work one day, walking down the street, and she dragged this all the way down the street for me. She's a scrapper now. Oh, and the muffler fell off the Ford. Look at that. Juicy. That's going for scrap. And neighbor Dave gave me this shit. He's doing a bit of renovations. So all I have to do with this is pull out all the steel nails, or steel screws. But yeah, okay. Well, I guess if I'm going to get some scrap, I gotta take that three-wheeler out, eh? Yeah, I really fucked up my fancy pants now. Pretty soon I won't have to pull my zipper down to take a leak. Okay, let's get this unloaded and we'll see you at Jomo's. Well, there's my score from Jomo. See that thing back there? Probably weighs 150 pounds. It's part of an old chimney. Then we got this Honda dirt bike frame. I'm not gonna scrap that though. Cannot scrap a Honda. I'll just throw that in my garage and whatever. It'll sit there for years. I don't care. I'm not scrapping it. Alright. What a mess. Well, it looks like I got some work to do. I've got to rip all those screws out. That's gonna be fun. A couple barbecues to strip. Sony Exploders milk crates. I should bring that to you. Yes, sir. And the lady across the street. Oh, the neighbor's got a treadmill thing to throw away. I'll go grab that and we'll scrap it. Okay, let's get to work. Well, here we go. The first move I make in catastrophe. Poor tailgate. I'm going to try to throw that in my garage and hang on to it for a bit. There we go. We've got one barbecue stripped. Alright, that's two barbecues down. Another piece for that. One to go. Okay, let's get her done. And of course, JJ, eh? What you doing, buddy? Well, as you see, I got the precision tool out. There we go. All stripped. There we go. All done with the barbecues. Getting there. Now to attack this pile. That's gonna be fun. Actually, this shit's gonna be fuck all. The screws are coming out real nice. I don't even need a fucking screwdriver, so right on. It's like friggin' 15 degrees out, and my My furnace is still chonging it. Better shut her right down. Well, that kind of blows. I just discovered that all this shit that I've been stripping, I've been doing it for nothing. It's fucking tin. Oh, well. Look, I got a visitor. She's been gathering cans for me from my backyard. Guess she's telling me something. Clean up, you fucking slob. Hey, buddy. Cody. Hey, you freak. What you doing, girl? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Not tearing shit apart. This is what she's doing. She went through my blue box. No, she's a puppy. You can't give her shit for that. She's getting big though, eh? Check her out. She's getting big. She poops outside, peeps outside. She walks like a dream. Like she just stays by your side. There's no real need for a leash, but you know, the bylaws and shit. She's a good girl. The only place she goes is from my house to Dave's house, or vice versa. What are you doing, Cody? Oh, I eat that sand. Oh yeah, num nums. Anyway, we gotta go get the wife. Cody, you're gonna have to go home, buddy. Well, before we go get Shelly, friggin' dog. Oh, big wipeout. Anyway, before we get Shelly, just want to share some bad news with you guys. Beaver Bert doesn't work there anymore. I don't know how to get a hold of him. But there's a new kid I want to say hi to. Beaver Kyle. Right on, bro. Yeah, your dad was telling me he wanted me to pick up a wash or a dryer on Sunday there. He was supposed to get a hold of me, but whatever. Rock on, Beaver Kyle. I spy with my little eye some metal. I must ask them if they want to get rid of it. Okay, really. Running late, let's go get Chili. Poor old girl. She's missing parts. Got a good little load in there. Should fill me up. I'd like to have that trailer too. Nice. Look, right across the street from there, I missed that. Okay, we'll grab that, I guess. We're obviously at the old lady's work.
Hey there, people.
It's my babies. Pretty bulky. I'm not gonna get it all, I don't think. Well, let's see if we can get it all. Load her up. Well, there we go. That's my load for tomorrow. Looks like a lot, but it's really not. Well, I figure with those 3 barbecues, we're probably looking at 80 bucks. Here's my guess. Good thing for the aluminum, but this would be worth pretty much fuck all. It's all little wimp tin. I just wanted to say congratulations to Sony Exploder. Congratulations, buddy. You just passed his friggin' AZ license. Have fun on the road, buddy. Oh, he wants to celebrate later. I might go over with a case of beer and get lit up with the boy. Celebrate his AZ. Well, anyway, people, thanks for watching. Later.